Hey, what's up everybody? This is Reissue from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be a little different. Filming this out in the garage on top of my car for whatever reason. Actually, no, there is a reason. My studio is a complete mess. Anyway, the lighting's pretty decent out here in the garage and something different. All right, we have something pretty cool here. This is a Walmart exclusive 1979 Ford F150 truck, and it's supposed to be Sam Walton's truck. And Sam Walton, if you're not familiar with him, he was the founder of Walmart. This is pretty hard to find. Thankfully, one of my best friends, Mark, was able to get me, actually got me two of them, and we're gonna go ahead here and take a look at it. But for whatever reason, the pack is dated 2014 on the back. I know this was released before in 1999, I think in like a diorama set, and also in 2013 it was released. This pack is definitely a little different. The pack from 2013 had a purple stripe here on the side, very, very similar though. It has the storefront, the original Walmart storefront and all that at the top. The back pretty much looks exactly the same as the 13. Like I said, it is dated 14 here, which I just noticed right before I was getting ready to film here. I had not noticed it when Mark dropped these off yesterday for me. And by the way, Mark has an Instagram page he got started not too long ago. He's getting into toy photography. I will put his link up. Be sure to follow him. His photography skills are really, really good. And I'm sure he'd be tickled if he got quite a few people following him. On the back here it says here, Hot Wheels salutes Walmart founder Sam Walton with his replica version of his beloved 1979 Ford F150. Really cool. What's cool about this though is you're getting, for 94 cents, you're basically getting almost basically a super treasure hunt. I mean, you have it is essentially a super treasure hunt. It's a plastic base on it, and it's really detailed though. We're gonna take this out here. I filmed this earlier, and for whatever reason I had to reinitialize my SD card, so my cut, you can see here, I already cut the pack open. So we're gonna go ahead here and I'll put it up on the turntable, and we're gonna do this all over again. So I think this is kind of fitting, having a toolbox in the background, considering this truck has a toolbox in the back and 3 beagle or dog hunting cages or something. I don't know, bird dog cages it looks like in the back. I'm not real familiar on Sam Walton, besides I know they call this the Road to Success truck or whatever. This thing, back to the actual Hot Wheels car, it sits a little lower than the real truck. The original truck that I saw on Google Images sat up a lot higher than this particular one, but this thing is really freaking cool for 94 cents. I mean, you're getting the rubber tires. If you don't like the Walmart lettering on the tires, you can always just take the tires off and flip them around, I'm sure. But it doesn't bother me at all, personally. I think if you look at the back, like the tampo, the taillights, this thing is just, they knocked this out of the freaking park. This thing is just freaking awesome, I think, for the money. What is sad to me is seeing on Instagram, I don't want to go into a little rant here, but I'm gonna anyway. All the people that were buying the whole case of 72, they were grabbing the whole box and walking out, purchasing the whole box of 72, and I believe each store only gets 1 box. So I think it's really rude, and then to post that on Instagram and brag it up that you bought the whole box and didn't leave any for other local collectors in your area is just ignorant. You guys have to leave comments down below what you think of that. I personally think it's rude. Mark told me when he found the box, it was up on top of the shelf. It was like 14 or 15 in the box. He bought 5, gave 2 to me. So I applaud him, and I think it's admirable to show some restraint and not buy all 14 or 15 vehicles are in the box. I can kind of see someone buying 14 or 15, that's even pushing it, but to buy the whole case of 72 is just absolutely ridiculous. And it's starting to take the fun out of this for me personally, to the point that I'm kind of starting to maybe move away from Hot Wheels a little bit. I still love them, but I'm kind of backing up a little bit from them. And there's quite a few people on Instagram I probably will not be following, because it just, some of the stuff that people are doing is just freaking ignorant if you ask me. But anyway, that's my rant for the night. and hopefully for the year. This truck, I think all you would need to do is detail up the grill and the headlights on this thing, and you'd have a bang up truck. I mean, this is awesome to begin with. I love how they did just like the real truck, it's missing some trim pieces, and now it's got the clips there. They even have that, and you got the logos up on the fender. Back here we're missing a trim strip. We got all the clips there. Seems like seems excessive there, the clips, but when I was a kid, I worked as a plumber's helper, and I used to drive a 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger around. It was dark blue. It had a 460 motor, or it was a 490, I forget. I think it was a 460, and it was the largest motor at the time you could buy from Ford. And I tell you, that thing would do one-wheel peels for a long way down the street. It was pretty torquey motor. I'm not sure what Sam had in his truck, but I'm sure it was a V8 of some sort. So there we have a chrome plastic base. Let's see, it's probably dated 99. I can't really see this from here. I'll be able to see it post video. Made in Malaysia. Yeah, it's dated 99 on it. It's just hard to tell sometimes until I go back and edit. But how awesome is that? So cool. So there you go. That is Sam Walton's 1979 Ford F-150. This is a Walmart exclusive. I looked on eBay. You can get these for $4 to $6 range. If you can't find them in your area, you may have to purchase them. Unfortunately, get one off of eBay or whatever, or maybe a Facebook marketplace or something like that. But I think this thing's awesome, and I thank Mark for grabbing me two of them. And the least I could do is throw his link up for his Instagram page, and hopefully get some followers. And like I said, he's really getting into the toy photography. So thanks for checking this out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free. I have over 400 videos on my channel, and be sure to hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys later. All right, bye now.